Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to use a tool block identification, block ID to print the UUID and type of partitions in Python. The block ID is a command line utility to locate or print block device attributes. So first I'm going to import a subprocess. And then set our command sudo block ID and our process by calling subprocess dot p open and pass in our command and call split on it, and then set standard out to subprocess dot pipe and get our output and error by calling process communicate. And now we are going to print our output. You may be asked for root privileges the first time you run this program. And here is the output of our script, the output of block ID command. So we get the information about partitions and UUID and other information. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.